Hello viewers, with this customization, you can automatically create any expenses journal voucher at the time of sale or purchase entry. After activating this TDL, you need to select your expenses ledger from the list. For example, now I am create a sale entry. Here you need to choose party for journal voucher and enter the amount. Here you need to choose party for journal voucher and enter the amount. Here you can check journal voucher was automatically created. Thank you for watching this video. For any query kindly call us on below number.